If you want to compress photos and videos that have been already uploaded to your Google Photos, then what you do is open any web browser, then open this website google.com/photos. Then click on this option visit Google Photos, and then you have to log in with your Google account. So once you log into your Google Photos, click on this settings icon here, click on manage storage, and here there is an option convert existing photos and videos to storage saver. Click on learn more, select this option. I understand that compressing my existing photos and videos cannot be undone, and then select this option compress existing photos and videos. Now this compression might reduce the quality of the photo or video, but it will take less space in your Google Photos, due to which you will have more space left. Now this compression might take several hours,